everyone, welcome back to Cracker JEE. In this video, we'll solve NMTC problems and more importantly, understand how to think through them. Pause, solve, and then watch. And if you're already preparing for Olympiads, why stop there? Take your preparation to next level with Crackers JEE Foundation course designed by JEE AAR 29, Maruti sir and Radhakrishna sir, who brings over 15 years of teaching experience. Build your concepts early, practice the right way, and get JEE ready from the foundation itself. Book a free demo call with our IITN faculty and experience the Cracker way. Link in the description.
So in this question we are asked the greatest 4-digit number such that when divided by 16, 24 and 36 leaves 4 as remainder in each case is what? So we need to find the number which is when divided by 16, 24 and 36 leaves the remainder as 4 in each of the case. So whenever this type of question comes, it should come to your mind that any number, let us say n, when divided by divisors a, b, c and leaves a remainder r is given by LCM of divisors which are a, b, c into k. K is what? K is some integer from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, plus the remainder which is r. Now in our case, the number will of the form what? It will be of the form LCM of the divisors. There are 16, then we have 24, 36 into k plus the remainder is given as 4. Now this number we can write it as, what is the LCM of 16, 24 and 36? It is 144. So it will be of the form 144k plus 4. So our number will be of the form 144k plus 4. Now what is given? It is given that we need the greatest 4-digit number. So 144 plus k should be the greatest 4-digit number such that when it is divided by 16, 24 and 36, it will leave the remainder 4. So if it is the greatest 4-digit number, it will be less than the smallest 5-digit number, right? What is the smallest 5-digit number? It is 10,000. So I can say this n is less than 10,000. So I can write 144k plus 4 is less than 10,000. Or from here I can say 144k is less than 9996. Or from here I can say k is less than 69 point something. We don't care about that something because k is an integer. As we need the greatest value of 144k plus 4, we need the greatest value of k. And if k is less than 69 point something, the greatest integer value of k will be what? It will be 69. So our number will be what? Our number will be 144 into 69 plus 4. And this gives you what? 144 into 69 gives you 9936 plus 4. And this is nothing but 9940. So your number is 9940. So if you divide 9940 by 16, 24 or 36, in each case you will get remainder as 4. So answer to this question is option number B, which is 9940. In this question we are given ABCD is a rectangle whose length AB is 20 centimeter or 20 units and breadth is 10 units. Also, it is given AP is equal to 8 units. The area of shaded region is P by Q square unit, where P and Q are natural numbers with no common factors other than 1. The value of P plus Q is what? So let us first draw this diagram. Then we have the diagonal and PD line. This is A, B, C, D and P. So we have A, B. So this is the diagram and we need to find the area of the shaded region. Now, how do we find the area of shaded region? First of all, if you see, you could see these two triangles. Let us say this is O. So you could see triangles BOP and you could see triangle COD. Now what is special in these two triangles? The specialty of these two triangles is that if you see PB is parallel to CD. PB is parallel to CD and BC is a transversal. It means that this angle, let us say X, is equal to what? Is equal to this angle X. Why? Because they are alternate angles. Also, BP and DC are parallel and PD is a transversal. Then this angle, let us say Y, will be equal to this angle Y. Correct? So from the AA test of similarity, we can say that triangles BOP is similar to COD. So triangle BOP will be similar to what? Will be similar to triangle COD. Why? Because angle O here is equal to this angle. They are opposite angles. So all three angles of these two triangles are equal. So if corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles will be similar by the angle test of similarity. Now we have given length of BP, which is 12. Why? AP was 8, whole AB is 20, so BP will be 12. So we can say BP upon CD is equal to what? Is equal to, we can say, BO upon CO, right? So BP upon CD is what? BP is 12. CD is 20 is equal to BO upon CO. Correct? So 12 by 20 is what? 12 by 20 is 3 by 5. So BO upon CO we got 3 upon 5. Correct? Till here we got. Now where can we use this BO and CO? If you look at the triangle BDC, look at this triangle BDC. I will draw it here. So this is the triangle B, D and C. And you could see DO line here. So we have a line DO. So this is the line DO. Now, if you look in two triangles which are there inside this triangle, they are BOD and COD. So for this BOD and COD, height is same, right? Let us suppose this is the height. Let us suppose this one is the height. So this is the height for triangle BOD on the base BO, and this is the height for triangle COD on the base CO. So can I write area of triangle BOD divided by area of triangle COD as what? Area of triangle BOD will be 1 by 2 into BO into height. So base into height divided by 1 by 2 into CO into height is same, which is h. So base into height we have written it down. From here I can say area of BOD upon area of COD is what? Area of BOD upon area of COD is BO upon CO, which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but 3 by 5. Right? From here I can say area of BOD is equal to, let us say, 3K, and area of COD, let us say it is 5K. But if you add these two areas, you will get the area of triangle BDC. So I can say area of BOD plus area of COD is equal to what? Is equal to area of triangle BDC. So area of triangle BDC will be what? It will be 8K. So area of triangle BDC is 8K. Now, can we find the area of triangle BDC? Obviously, we can find. Why? We know BD is what? BD is 10 and CD is what? CD is 20. So area will be what? Area will be 1 by 2 into base, which is 20, into height, which is 10. This is nothing but 100. So area of triangle BDC is 100. So 100 is equal to 8K. From here K is what? K is 100 by 8 and 100 by 8 is nothing but 25 by 2. Correct? If K is 25 by 2, area of triangle BOD will be what? It will be 75 by 2. And area of triangle COD will be what? It will be 125 by 2. Right? So we got the area of triangle BOD and we got the area of triangle COD. It is what? It is 125 divided by 2. Now, from this area, can we find the area of triangle BOP? Yes, we can find. How? Because they are similar triangles. And the area of similar triangle is in the ratio of what? Is in the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So I can say from here, as they are similar, area of triangle BOP divided by area of triangle COD will be what? It will be in the ratio of their corresponding side. Square of ratio of their corresponding side. What is the ratio of their corresponding side? 3 by 5. What is its square? It is 9 by 25. So from here I can say area of triangle BOP divided by, I know this area, this is 125 by 2, which is equal to 9 by 25. From here I can say area of triangle BOP is what? Area of triangle BOP is nothing but 45 by 2. So area of triangle BOP is what? It is 45 by 2. So this is 45 by 2. Correct? Now what is the area of this shaded region? So can I write area of shaded region is what? Area of shaded region is nothing but area of ABCD minus what? Minus, so complete area minus area of triangle BDC and minus area of triangle BOP. So minus area of triangle BDC minus area of triangle BOP. So from the complete area, we are subtracting what? We are subtracting this triangle and this triangle so that we get the shaded area. So from here can we write what is the area of triangle ABCD? That is length into breadth, which is 20 into 10, 200 minus area of triangle BDC is what? It is 100 minus area of triangle BOP is what? It is 45 by 2. So from here it is 100 minus 45 by 2, or this is what? This is nothing but 200 minus 45 by 2, or the area will be what? 200 minus 45 is 155 by 2, and this is given as what? This is given as P by Q. It is given that P and Q don't have any other factor commons other than 1. So 155 and 2 don't have any other factors common other than 1. So I can directly write P is equal to 155 and Q is equal to what? Q is equal to 2. And what do we need to find? We need to find P plus Q. So what is P plus Q? P plus Q will be 155 plus 2, 157. So answer to this question will be 157, which is given in option number C. So this is how you can solve this question. In this question we are asked, the solution of the given equation is of the form A by B, where A and B are natural numbers with GCD of A and B equal to 1. Then B minus A is equal to what? So how do you find this thing? So we have given seventh root of 12 plus x divided by x plus 7th root of 12 plus x divided by 12 is given as 64 upon 3 into 7th root of x, right? So can I take 12 plus x 7th root common? Yes, I can take. So I will write 7 through as 12 plus x raised to 1 by 7. And here I get what? Here I get 1 by x plus 1 by 12 is equal to what? Is equal to 64 by 3 into x raised to 1 by 7. I have written 7 through as 1 by 7. From here what I can say? I can say 12 plus x raised to 1 by 7 into, what will this be? This will be 12 plus x upon 12x is equal to what? Is equal to 64 by 3 into x raised to 1 by 7, right? Now what is 12 plus x raised to 1 by 7 into 12 plus x raised to 1? This is nothing but what? This is nothing but 12 plus x raised to 1 plus 1 by 7 upon 12x is equal to 64 by 3 into x raised to 1 by 7, right? Now this is what? This is 8 by 7. So 12 plus x raised to 8 by 7. And if you take this 12x on that side, what will you get? You will get 64 by 3 into 12 into x raised to 1 into x raised to 1 by 7. Correct? From here you can write 12 plus x raised to 8 by 7 is equal to what? Is equal to, this will become what? This will become 256 into x raised to 8 by 7. Now from the both side, if you take the 8th root, so what will be the 8th root? The 8th root here will be 12 plus x raised to 8 by 7 raised to what? 8th root is nothing but 1 by 8 is equal to 256 into x raised to 8 by 7 raised to 1 by 8, right? So from here this is what? This is 12 plus x raised to 1 by 7 is equal to what? Is equal to 256 1 by 8. What will be 256 raised to 1 by 8? It will be 2, because 2 raised to 8 equal to 256. So this will be 2 into x raised to 1 by 7. Now what you can do? Like raise both sides to the power of 7. So this will become 12 plus x is equal to 2 raised to 7 into x, or 12 plus x is equal to what? 2 raised to 7 is 128x, or from here you can write 12 plus x, or 12 is equal to 127x. From here x is what? X is 12 upon 127. Now what is given? We have given this solution, the solution which you got 12 upon 127 is in the form of a by b, where a and b are natural number and the GCD of a and b is 1, that there is no other common factor other than 1 between these two. So can I say there is no common factor between 12 and 127? So this is directly equal to a by b, and a is what? A is 12. B is what? B is 127. We need to find B minus A. B minus A is what? 127 minus 12, which is 115. So the answer to this question will be 115. This is given in option number A. So option A will be the correct answer here. In this question we are asked the value of given expression is what? So how do you find the value of given expression? So let us say 52 plus 6 under root 43 raised to 3 by 2 minus, we have given 52 minus 6 under root 43 raised to 3 by 2. How do you solve this? First, this 1 by 2 means square root. So whenever there is 1 by 2 in the power, it means we are taking the square root. We have to take the square root of this. So we know whenever we have given something in the form of surds and we have to take the square root, we have to represent it in the form of a square. How do you do that? Let us say this is 52. So 52 is there and we have 6 under root 43. So can I write this 643 as 2 into 3 into under root 43? And can I write this 52 as 3 square plus under root 43 square? Yes, because under root 43 square is 43, 3 square is 9. 9 plus 43 will give you 52. So basically, if you assume this is A, then this will be A square plus B square plus 2AB, which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but A plus B whole square. So this is nothing but A plus B whole square. So I can write 52 plus 6 under root 43 as 3 plus under root 43 whole square, and which is raised to 3 by 2. Similarly, I can write this as what? I can write this as under root 43 minus 3 whole square raised to 3 by 2. Why have I written under root 43 minus 3 and not 3 minus under root 43? Because if you are taking square root, so under the square root function, whatever comes out should be a positive value. So 3 minus under root 43 is not a positive value. This is less than 0. Hence, this is not applicable. So under root 43 minus 3 is greater than 0, and hence this should be the answer. So I am writing this 52 minus 643 as under root 43 minus 3 whole square. Under root 43 square will be 43, 3 square will be 9, it will be 52. Minus 2ab. So this is under root 43 minus 3, which is minus 6 under root 43. So this will be what? This will be 3 plus under root 43 cube minus under root 43 minus 3 cube. Right? Now how do you solve further? So let us say under root 43 is A and 3 is B. So let us say this is A plus B cube, where A is under root 43 and B is what? Or let us say X and Y. So X is, let us say, under root 43. Y is what? Y is 3. So this will be X plus Y cube minus X minus Y cube. Now how do you solve further? We know X plus Y cube is what? It is X cube plus 3x square Y plus 3xy square plus Y cube. Right? What is X minus Y cube? It is X cube minus 3x square Y plus 3xy square minus Y cube. Right? What will this give? This will give you 2y cube plus 6x square y. Right? Or from here, if you take 2y common, what will you get? You will get here y square plus 3x square. Right? Now just put the values of x and y. X is under root 43. So this will be 43 into 3, which is 129. Y square will be 9. This is 2y. 2y is what? 2 into 3, 6. So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but 6 into 138. This will give you what? This will give you 8 to 8. So answer to this question will be 828, which is given in option number D. So you can take the square root of the surds, then just cube it and simplify it further to get the answer. This is how you solve this. In this question we are asked, in the adjoining figure, DCE is 10 degree, CED is 98 degree and BDF is 28 degree. Then the measure of angle X is what? So let us first draw this diagram. So this is the diagram. Now we need to find this X. Let us first find out some angles which we can find out by the given angles. Now if you see here, this is 10 degree, this is 98 degree, right? So what will be this angle, right? What will be this angle? This complete angle will be what? This complete angle will be sum of these two angles. Why? Because this CDA is the exterior angle of CED, or the triangle CED is there, where CDA is the exterior angle, and the exterior angle is the sum of two opposite interior angles. So this is 10 and 98. So this ADC will be what? 10 plus 98, which is 108 degree. Now what angle can you find? Let us say this is given as 28, and this is the arc which subtends that particular angle. But this angle is also subtended by that particular arc. This one FAB. So this will also be what? This will also be 28 degree. Why? Angles subtended by the same arc are of equal measure. So if FDB is 28 degree, FAB will also be 28 degree. Now what can you do more? If you see at this angle, what is speciality of this angle? Look at the quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD, all the four vertices of quadrilateral ABCD are on what? They are on the circle. So ABCD is what? It is a cyclic quadrilateral. And this angle is what? Is the exterior angle of that cyclic quadrilateral. And what is the property of cyclic quadrilateral? In the cyclic quadrilateral, the exterior angle is equal to the opposite interior angle. And what is the opposite interior angle to this? This complete angle. So look at this ABCD. If you look at this carefully, this is A, B, C, and D. And this is the angle we are talking about. What is this angle? This exterior angle will be equal to measure of this angle. So this is what? This is 108 degree. Now focus on triangle ABG. So you know angle A, you know angle B. Can you find G? Yes, you can. Because sum of the all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So I can say angle GAB plus angle ABG plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. What is GAB plus ABG? 28 plus 108. This is 136 plus x is equal to 180. From here what do you get? From here you get x is equal to 44 degree. So answer to this question will be what? 44 degree, and it is given in option number C. So option number C will be the correct answer here. Now in this question we are asked ABC is a right triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. The inradius of triangle is R and the circumradius of triangle is capital R. If capital R is to small r is given as pi by 2, then the value of cot square A by 2 plus cot square C by 2 is what? So for that, let us first draw a triangle which is ABC. Let us draw its circumcircle and then let us draw its incircle. Now this is our figure. So what is there? We have a circumcircle. Inside that we have triangle ABC where angle B is 90 degree. And then we have an incircle which is inside the triangle whose center is here. Okay. Now what actually is the center of incircle? It is called as the incenter. And what is incenter? Incenter is nothing but the intersection point of all three angle bisectors, right? So if this is the incenter and if I join it with the vertex, that line will be what? That line will be the angle bisector of that angle. Similarly, this line will be angle bisector of this angle. So can I say this angle is C by 2? And can I say this angle is what? This angle is A by 2, right? This is the radius of what? This is the radius of incircle. Also, from the center, if you drop the radius on the tangent, it will be what? It will be 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This will be what? This will be R. This will be R. Now what can happen? O is the center of circumcircle. So this AO will be equal to what? It will be equal to OC, right? Now you can say AO, which is R, upon small r, which is this one, is given as 5 by 2, right? It was given as 5 is to 2. So let us say r is equal to what? R is equal to 5k and small r is equal to 2k, correct? So this AO is 5k, correct? This OD, we don't know what is the length of OD. Let us assume this length is x. So what will be the length of AD? Length of AD will be 5k plus x. As we know, OC and AO are of the same length. OC will be of 5k. In OC, OD is x. So remaining CD will be 5k minus x. Right? So this much we established till now. Now what can we do further? We know AD is a tangent, whereas this point, let us say E, AD and AE are the tangents drawn to the inner circle from the same point A. And we know the tangents drawn from the same point to the circle are of what? Are of equal length. So this AD will be equal to AE. So I can say AE is equal to what? AE is equal to 5k plus x. Correct? Similarly, if you see CD, and let us say this point is F, CD and CF are also the tangent drawn from the same point C to the inner circle. So CD will be equal to CF. And what is CD? It is 5k minus F. So CF is what? It is 5k minus x. Now, this R will be what? R is 2k. So this BE is what? BE is 2k. BF is also what? 2k. Correct? Because this will form a what? This will form a square. Now, what is BC? BC is CF plus BF and CF is 5k. So BC will be 7k minus x. Similarly, what will be AB? AB is AE plus BE. AE is 5k plus x, BE is 2k. So AB will be 7k plus x. Similarly, what is complete AC? AC is AO plus OC. AO is 5k, OC is 5k. So AC will be what? AC will be 10k. And in right angled triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, I can say AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. Right? From here, what do you get? AC square, which is 10k square, will be 100k square is equal to what? BC square. What is BC square? 7k minus x whole square. This will be 49k square minus 14kx plus x square. What is AB square? AB square is 7k plus x square. This will be 49k square plus 14kx plus x square. From here, what do you get? From here you get 100k square is equal to 98k square plus 2x square. From here, what do you get? You get 100k square minus 98 square, which is 2k square is equal to 2x square. Or from here you get k is equal to x. So you got k is equal to x. If k is equal to x, what is the length of AE? It is nothing but 6k. What is the length of CF? It is nothing but 4k. Now, how do you find cot A by 2? You need cot A by 2 and cot C by 2. So in this triangle AE, let us say this is G. In the triangle AEG, cot A by 2 will be what? Cot A by 2 will be, it will be adjacent side, which is AE, upon opposite side, which is GE. AE is what? AE is 6K. So 6K divided by GE. GE is R and small r is 2K. This is 2K. This is what? This is 3. Now how do you find cot C by 2? So I have cot C by 2 is equal to what? Now in this triangle CFG, cot C by 2 will be what? Adjacent side CF divided by opposite side GF. So CF upon GF. CF is what? We know CF is 4K. So this is 4K. GF is what? GF is nothing but radius. Radius is 2K. So this is 2K and this is 2. Now you need cot square A by 2 plus cot square C by 2. What is cot square A by 2? It is 9. What is cot square C by 2? It is 4. Addition of all these two, it is 9 plus 4, which is 13. And it is given in option number C. So this is how you can solve this question. So option C is the correct answer here. In this question we are given alpha comma beta and gamma comma beta are the roots of simultaneous equation mod of x minus 1 plus mod of y minus 5 equal to 1, where y is equal to 5 plus mod x minus 1. Then the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma is what? Now it is given here that y is equal to 5 plus mod of x minus 1, right? From here you can say y minus 5 is what? Is mod of x minus 1. If you take the modulus on both the sides, what you get? You get mod of y minus 5 is equal to mod of mod x minus 1. This is nothing but what? This is nothing but mod x minus 1 only. Right? Now, first equation says mod of x minus 1 plus mod of y minus 5 is equal to what? Is equal to 1. Correct? Now, mod of y minus 5 is mod of x minus 1. So, mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 1 is equal to 1, or 2 mod x minus 1 is equal to 1, or mod of x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Correct? Mod of x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now what? Now I can say x minus 1 is equal to either 1 by 2 or x minus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to minus 1 by 2. Correct? From here I get x equal to 3 by 2 or x equal to what? 1 by 2. What will be the value of y? If you see here, mod of x minus 1 is 1 by 2. So if you keep here 1 by 2, from here you get y is equal to what? Y is equal to 11 by 2. Right? 1 by 2 plus 5, which is 11 by 2. So for both 3 by 2 and 1 by 2, y is 11 by 2. Or here also y is 11 by 2. Now it is given what? It is given alpha and beta, and gamma and beta are the roots. So you see, if this is alpha, this will be beta. And if this is gamma, this will be beta, because beta is same in both the cases. So what you need to find? You need to find alpha plus beta plus gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma will be what? It will be 3 by 2 plus 11 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is nothing but 15 by 2. Now it is 15 by 2, which is given in option number A. So option A will be the correct answer here, and this is how you can solve the question. In this question we are asked, 3 persons, Ram, Ali and Peter, were to be hired to paint a house. Ram and Ali can paint the whole house in 30 days, Ali and Peter in 40 days, while Peter and Ram can do it in 60 days. If all of them were hired together, in how many days can they all three complete the 50% of the work? Now, in the actual exam, the options were not correct. Options were formed considering the full work, but in the exam it was as 50%. So this was a bonus question, I would say. Now let us try to solve this. So you don't have to care about these options. The correct answer will come after solving the question. So it is given Ram and Ali can paint the whole house in 30 days. So if I say Ram and Ali, they can paint whole house in what? They can paint whole house in 30 days. Then what do we have? We have Ali and Peter can do it in 40 days. So Ali and Peter can do it in 40 days. And Ram and Peter can do it in what? They can do it in 60 days. Correct? So whenever you have given the days, you can assume the total work as what? You can assume the total work as LCM of these days. So LCM of these days is what? 30, 40, 60. LCM is 120. So let us say total work to be done is what? Total work to be done is 120 units. So let us say total work is 120 units. Now Ram and Ali together complete this work in 30 days. So Ram and Ali complete 120 units in 30 days. In one day, how much would they complete? So I would say efficiency of Ram plus Ali is 120 by 30, which is 4 units per day. Similarly, for A and P, I can find out 120 divided by 40, which is 3 units per day. And for R and P, I can find out it is what? It is 120 by 60, which is 2 units per day. Correct? Now from here, if you add all of this, you will get 2 into R plus A plus P, where R, A, P are the efficiency of Ram, Ali and Peter, is equal to 9 units per day. So together, all three of them, R plus A plus P, complete what? They complete 9 by 2 units of work in a day. Now, what is asked? We are asked all three work together if all three were hired together. So we want the combined efficiency, which is 9 by 2 units per day. And we have to find the number of days to complete the 50% of the work. What is the total work? Total work is 120. So 50% of total work will be what? 50% of total work will be 50% of 120, which is 60 units. So if these people complete 9 by 2 units a day, time taken will be what? It will be 60, which is work, upon 9 by 2, which is efficiency. This is 120 by 9 or 40 by 3. And 40 by 3 is nothing but 13 1 by 3. So the answer to this question should be 13 1 by 3. But in this one, what they have done is that they have taken the complete work. So it became 26 2 by 3. So this was the answer given, but this is not the answer, correct answer. Why? Because only 50% work is asked. The options are given considering the complete work, which is 120 units. Hence the answer to this question is 13 1 by 3, and hence this question is kind of bonus. So this is how you solve the question. Now in this question we are asked, we are given a value of x in form of some surds and the ratio of those surds. We need to find the value of this expression. Let us try to manipulate this one. So this is given as under root a plus 3b plus under root a minus 3b upon under root a plus 3b minus under root a minus 3b is equal to what? Is equal to x. Or I can say this is x by 1. Right? So whenever this type of question comes, what should come to your mind? It should come to your mind that I can use some properties of ratio. What property can you use here? You can use componendo dividendo. If you use componendo dividendo, what will you get? You will get this numerator plus the denominator, which will be 2 under root a plus 3b upon numerator minus the denominator, which will be 2 under root a minus 3b is equal to what? Numerator plus denominator x plus 1 upon numerator minus denominator, which is x minus 1. From here what you get? You get under root a plus 3b upon under root a minus 3b is equal to x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Now if you square both the sides, what you get? You get a plus 3b upon a minus 3b is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 1, right? Now again you can use componendo dividendo. How can you use? Numerator plus denominator, which is 2a upon numerator minus denominator, which is 6b is equal to numerator plus denominator. It will be 2 into x square plus 1 upon numerator minus denominator, which will be 4x. From here what you get? You get a upon 3b is equal to what? X square plus 1 divided by 2x. Or from here I can say 2 is equal to what? 2 is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x into 3b by a. So 3b into x square plus 1 divided by ax. And what do you need actually? You need this value only, 3b x square plus 3b upon ax. And this is nothing but what? This is nothing but 3b x square plus 3b upon ax, and this is equal to 2. So answer to this question will be 2, which is given in option number B. So option B will be the correct choice here. In this question we are asked the number of integral solution of the equation. So this inequality is given and we have to find the number of integral solution. So how do you find? So let us say 2 upon x minus 13 is what? Is greater than 8 by 9. Now as this is 2, I can take it out of the modulus. So this is nothing but 2 upon mod of x minus 13 is greater than 8 by 9. From here I can say 1 upon mod x minus 13 is greater than 4 by 9. Now if you flip this, as both the sides are positive, the inequality sign will get reversed. So if you take the reciprocal, it will be mod of x minus 13 is less than 9 by 4. Correct? Whenever this type of thing is there, you can say x minus 13 lies between what? It lies between plus 9 by 4 and minus 9 by 4. From here what do you get? You get minus 9 by 4 plus 13 is less than x is less than 9 by 4 plus 13. We added 13 to all the terms. From here you get 52 minus 9, which is 43 by 4 is less than x. And from here what you get? You get 52 plus 9, which is 61 by 4. This is what? This is nothing but 10.75 is greater than x is less than 15.25. And what we need? We need the integer solution. So what are the integers between this? Between 10.75 and 15.25? They are 11, they are 12, they are 13, they are 14, and they are 15. Right? But can you take x equal to 13? You cannot take. Why? Because x minus 13, if you put x equal to 13, this expression will be undefined. So you cannot take x is equal to 13. So only 4 solutions are there, 11, 12, 14 and 15. So how many possible values of x are there? How many number of integral solution of x are there? there are 4. So option number D is the correct choice here.
Top JEE ranks aren't built overnight, they're built early. With Kaku's JEE Foundation batch, students from classes 8 to 10 can strengthen their maths, physics, and chemistry fundamentals through live classes taught by IITian faculty. Get access to 5,000 plus practice questions and regular biweekly tests to stay ahead. Give yourself the right head start. Join Kraku today. The link is in the description.
In this question we are asked, in the adjoining figure, P is the center of the first circle which touches the other circle in C. PCD is along the diameter of second circle. Angle PBA is equal to 20 degree and angle PCA is equal to 30 degree. The tangents at B and D meet at E. The measure of angle X is what? Let us first draw the diagram. So this is the diagram and we need to find angle X. Now what can we first deduce from here? This PC, this line is nothing but passing through the centers of the circle, and C is the point of touching of these two circles. So I can say PB is a radius, and this one, let us say this is O, OD is also a radius. This DE and BE are tangents. So I can say radius is perpendicular to the tangent, and here also radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Now, if we are able to find out the measure of angle BPD, then in the quadrilateral BPDE, we know 3 angles and then we can find the 4th angle. Let us try to find this one. Let us say this angle is Y. If this angle is Y, this central angle will be what? It will be 2Y, because the angle subtended at the circumference of circle is half of the corresponding central angle. So this will be what? This will be 2Y. And if this is 2Y, this reflex angle will be what? This reflex angle will be 360 minus 2Y. Right? Now if you look at the concave quadrilateral ABPC, this concave quadrilateral ABPC, sum of all angles will be what? Sum of all angles will be equal to 360 degree. So this angle is 20, this angle is 360 minus 2y, this angle is 30 and this angle is y. Let us say 20 plus 30 plus 360 minus 2y plus y is equal to what? Is equal to 360 degree, because sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So this and this will get cancelled. From here you get y is equal to 50. So you got y is equal to 50. If y is equal to 50, then 2y will be what? 2y will be 100. Correct? Now in this quadrilateral BPDE, sum of all angles will be 360 degree. This is 90. 90 plus 90 will be 180. 180 plus 100 will be 280. So the remaining angle should be 80 degree. So the correct option here is option B, which is 80 degree. In this question we are asked, if alpha and beta are the values of x satisfying the equation, given equation is this, where alpha is less than beta, then value of beta by alpha is what? This is pretty easy. What you can do is here is that you have given 3 under root log 2x. You can split this log 2 8x as log 2 8 plus log 2x, which is nothing but what? Which is minus log 8 to the base 2 minus log x to the base 2. Simple property, log of AB is log of A plus log of B, plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what you can do? Put this under root log 2x equal to t, right? So this will be 3t minus this will be what? This will be 3 minus, if this is t, log 2x will be t square. So t square plus 1 is equal to 0. From here what you get? You get 3t minus t square minus 2 is equal to 0, or t square minus 3t plus 2 is equal to 0. Now you can easily find the roots of this equation, which are t into t minus 1 into t minus 2 is equal to 0, or t is equal to 1 or 2. Now what is t? T is nothing but under root log 2x is equal to 1 or 2. Or I can say, if I square both the side, log 2x is what? Is either 1 or 4. Or I can say x is what? It is either 2 raised to 1 or 2 raised to 4. Or x is what? X is either 2 or 16. So there are two values of x which satisfy, and it is given alpha and beta are these two values, whereas alpha is less than beta. So 2 is alpha, this is beta. What we need to find? We need to find beta by alpha. So beta by alpha will be 16 by 2, which is 8. So answer to this question will be 8. This is given in option D. Now in this question it is asked, when a natural number is divided by 11, the remainder is 4. When the square of this number is divided by 11, the remainder is what? Pretty easy question. Let us say n is a natural number is divided by 11. So let us say 11k plus remainder is what? Remainder is 4. So divisor into quotient plus remainder is dividend. Okay. So like this you can write. Now what is n square? N square will be what? It will be 11k plus 4 square. This will be 121k square plus 44k plus 16. Now this is divided by 11. Can I write this thing as 121k square plus 44k plus 11 plus 5. I have just written 16 as 11 plus 5. Now I am taking 11 common. If I take 11 common, what do I get? I get 11k square plus 4k plus 1 plus 5. Now this is some natural number. So let us say this is p. This is 11p plus 5 and this is n square. So again, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The remainder in this case is 5, which is given in option number B. So option B is the correct choice. In this question we are asked, the units digit of a 2-digit number is twice the 10th digit, and when the number is multiplied by the sum of the digits, the result is 144. For another 2-digit number, the 10th digit is twice the units digit and the product of the numbers with the sum of the digits is 567. Then the sum of the 2-digit number is what? Let us say first number is there. Okay, it is given the unit digit is twice the 10th digit. So if 10th digit is 1, unit digit will be 2 or 2a. So if this is a, this will be 2a. Now this number when multiplied by the sum of the digits. Now how can you write this number? You can write this number as 10a plus 2a, which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but 12a. Now this number 12a when multiplied with sum of the digits. Sum of the digit is a plus 2a, which is 3a. Answer becomes 144. Or from here you get a square is equal to what? A square 4, or a is equal to 2. Or you can say here the number is what? The number is 2 and 2a is 4. So this is 24. In other case it is reversed. Let unit digit be b, tens digit will be 2b. What will be the number? Number will be 10 into 2b plus b, which is nothing but 21b. When this 21b is multiplied with the sum of digits, which is 2b plus b, 3b, answer is what? Answer is given as 567. From here you get 63b square is equal to 567, or b square is equal to 567 by 63, which is 9. From here you get b is equal to 3, right? If B is equal to 3, number will be what? Number will be 3 into 2, 6 and 3. This will be the 2-digit number. What we need to find? We need to find sum of the two-digit numbers. So these 2-digit numbers we need to find the sum. 24 plus 63, which is what? 87. So answer to this question will be 87, given in option number D. In this question we are asked ABCDE is a pentagon. Angle AED equal to 126 degree. Angle BAE is equal to angle CDE, and angle ABC is 4 degree less than BAE, and BCD is 6 degree less than CDE. PR and QR are the bisector of BPC, EQD respectively, and they meet at R. Points PCDQ are collinear. Then what we need to find? We need to find measure of PRQ. Let us first draw the figure. I have this triangle which is A, P, Q. Then I have this pentagon. Is A, B, C, D, E, and these two angle bisectors meet at R. So this is point R. Now what are the measures I have given? I have given AED is 126 degree. So this is 126 degree. Then BAE equals to CDE. So BAE is equals to CDE. Let us say this is X. So this will also be X. Then I have given ABC is 4 degree less than BAE. So ABC will be X minus 4 and this will be X minus 6 according to the condition given. Now in the pentagon, sum of all angles is 540 degree. So X plus X minus 4 plus X minus 6 plus 126 is what? Is 540. Now what will happen from here? You will be 4x plus 116 is equal to 540. From here what you get? If you divide by 4, you will get x. 29 is equal to from here you get x equal to 106 degree. So x is 106 degree. Now in triangle APQ, what is there? In triangle APQ, A plus this complete P plus this complete Q is 180 degree and X is 106 degree. So can I say angle P, which is complete one, plus angle Q is equal to what? Is equal to 180 minus 106, which is 74 degree, right? So this complete angle P, this complete angle Q will be what? It will be 74 degree. Now look at PRQ. What is this angle? This angle is P by 2 because PR is the angle bisector. And this small angle is what? It is Q by 2. So this is what? This is Q by 2, this is P by 2. So P by 2 plus Q by 2 plus R is 180 degree. So I can write P by 2 plus Q by 2 plus R is 180 degree. Now what is P by 2 plus Q by 2? It is P plus Q divided by 2. What is P plus Q divided by 2? It is 37. So 37 plus R is equal to 180 degree. From here you get R is equal to what? 180 degree minus 37, which is 143 degree. What you need to find? You need to find R only, PRQ. It is given 143 degree, which is given in option number D. So option D is the correct choice here. In this question it is asked, ABC are real numbers such that B minus C equal to 8 and BC plus A square plus 16 is equal to 0. You need to find A 2 raised to 2 5, B raised to 20 25, C raised to 20 25 is equal to what? Now it is given B minus C is equal to 8 and BC plus A square plus 16 is equal to 0. Now how can you proceed further? Here something BC is given. So let us try to do this. I can say B plus C whole square is equal to what? Is equal to B minus C whole square plus 4BC. Right? This is a normal identity. What is B minus C whole square? It is 64 plus 4BC is equal to what? Is equal to B plus C whole square. Now what can you say? You can say that what is BC? BC is minus A square plus 16. Correct? So I can say B plus C whole square is minus, it is 64 plus 4 into minus A square plus 16. This is nothing but what? This is nothing but B plus C whole square is equal to minus 4A square. Now A square is always greater than equal to 0. B plus C whole square is always greater than equal to 0 because any square is greater than equal to 0. Here minus is there. It means that this square is negative of another square, which is not possible, right? Hence, to make this condition true, what is there? B plus C is equal to 0 and A is equal to 0. Only at these values, this condition will be true. So A is equal to 0 and B is equal to minus C, right? So B is equal to minus C. Now, what is A raised to 2025? It is 0 only. What is B raised to 2025? It is B raised to 2025. What is C? C is nothing but minus B. So minus B raised to 2025. This is what? This is 0 plus B raised to 2025. What is minus B raised to odd power? It will be minus of B raised to that power. And this will also get cancelled. So final answer will be 0. So answer to this question will be 0. This is how you solve the question. In this question we have asked, we have given a function and we need to find the value of x for which f of fx is 2025 whole square. So let us try to find this. So we have given f of x is what? It is given as 2025x upon x plus 1. What will be f of fx? F of fx will be, instead of x, just put fx. So this will be 2025 into, what is fx? It is 2025x upon x plus 1 divided by, instead of x, put fx. So 2025x upon x plus 1 plus 1. If you simplify, this will be 2025 square x upon 2026x plus 1. And what is f of fx? It is given as 2025 square. From here, this gets cancelled. And you get 2026x plus 1 is equal to x. From here, you get x is equal to minus 1 upon 2025. So answer to this question will be minus 1 upon 2025. So this is how you solve the question. In this question we are asked the sum of all the roots of equation and the equation is given like this. So it is given cube root of 16 minus x cube is equal to what? Is equal to 4 minus x. What you can do? Cube both the sides. So this will be 16 minus x cube is equal to what? Is equal to 4 cube, 64, minus 3a square b. So a square is 16, 16 into 3, 48x, plus 3 into ab square. So this will be 12x square minus x cube. So x cube will get cancelled. From here what you get? You get, if you take 16 that side, you will get 12x square minus 48x plus 48 is equal to 0. Or from here you get x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. From here what you get? You get x minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now the catch here is that root is 2, but there are double root. Why? Because it is a square equal to 0, right? So the roots will be 2 comma 2. There are always two roots for a quadratic equation. So there are 2 comma 2. These are the two roots. And sum of these two roots will be 2 plus 2, which is 4. So answer to this question will be 4. Here it is given in the adjoining figure, two quadrants are touching at B. CE is joined by a straight line whose midpoint is F. Okay. Then we need to find the measure of angle CED. So how to proceed further for this question? Let us go forward and draw some lines. So let us join this CB first. So this is CB. Okay. Then join this BE and join this BF and join this DF. Now what you can do? You can see that CAB is a isosceles right angled triangle. So this will be what? This will be 45 degree. Similarly, this will be what? This will also be 45 degree. Also, let us say this is 45 degree. Why? BDE is also a isosceles right angled triangle. This is 45 degree. Now, if this is 45, this is 45, the remaining angle will be what? It will be 90 degree. So, triangle CBE is what? Is a right angled triangle. And also, if you see, this CF is equal to FE because it is given, it is a midpoint. Now, it means that BF is a median from right angle B on the hypotenuse CE. It means whenever the median is drawn from the right angle on the hypotenuse, it is equal to what? It is equal to half of hypotenuse, and CF and FE are the half of hypotenuse. Now if you look here, DE is a radius of this quadrant. So this is a radius. DF is also radius. So this will be equal. Similarly, DB is also radius. So this will also be what? This will also be equal. Let us say this angle is alpha. Now in triangle FBE, this FE and FB are equal. So this is isosceles. So this will also be what? This will also be alpha. Now focus on triangle FDB. In triangle FDB, FD is equal to BD. So this complete angle FBD will be equal to angle BFD. So FBD is alpha plus 45. So this will be alpha plus 45. Now look at angle FED. In triangle FED, FE is equal to FD. Sorry, FD is equal to ED or DE. So these two angles, this one and this complete angle will be equal. This complete angle is alpha plus 45. So this will also be alpha plus 45. Now if you check BFE, in triangle BFE, this is alpha plus 45, this is alpha plus 45. So together this is 2 alpha plus 90, and this is also alpha. So I can say this alpha plus 45 plus alpha plus 45, which is 2 into alpha plus 45 plus this alpha is equal to what? Is equal to 180 degree. From here I can say 4 alpha plus 90 is equal to 180 degree, or 4 alpha is equal to 90 degree, or alpha is equal to 22.5 5 degree, right? What I need to find? I need to find CED. I need to find this angle, and this angle is alpha plus 45. So angle CED will be what? It will be alpha plus 45. Alpha is 22.5, so this will become 67.5. Hence answer to this question is 67.5. In this question we are asked the value of k for which the equation has exactly 3 positive integer solutions. So we have x cube minus 6x square plus 11x plus 6 minus k is equal to 0. Now let us say alpha, beta and gamma are the three what? They are three positive integer solutions. Okay, they are positive and they are also integers. Now if you see alpha plus beta plus gamma is what? In the cubic equation it is minus of coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube, which is minus of minus 6. It is 6. Now when alpha, beta, gamma are positive integers and they equal to 6, there is only one possibility, that 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now you can say, sir, 2 plus 2 plus 2 can also be 6. Let us check that thing. It won't be, because we have to check this also. And what is this? This is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, and is equal to what? Is equal to 11. Only for 1, 2, 3 it will satisfy. So alpha into beta will be 2, beta into gamma will be 2 into 3, 6, and gamma into alpha will be 3 into 1, which is 3, and this will be 11. For none other combination it will satisfy. If you take 1, 1, 4 or 2, 2, 2 or 3, 2, 1, anything, for 3 to 1 it will satisfy. For none other combination it will satisfy. Hence the only combination is 1, 2, 3. Now what is this? This is alpha, beta, gamma is equal to what? Is minus of constant term. So minus 6 minus k upon 1, which is coefficient of x cube. Alpha, beta, gamma is 1 into 2 into 3, which is 6. 6 equal to minus 6 plus k, or k is equal to 12. So the answer to this question will be 12.
Preparing for Olympiads today, you're already building the skills needed for JEE tomorrow. Take that preparations further with Krakow's JEE Foundation batch for classes 8 to 10. Learn maths, physics and chemistry from IIT and faculty through live classes, practice with 5,000 plus questions, and track your progress through regular bi-weekly tests. Turn your Olympiad preparation into a strong JEE foundation. Join Krakow today and the link is in the description.
The number of 3-digit numbers of the form AB5, where AB are digits which are divisible by 9. So we have given A, B, 5. Now this number is divisible by 9, it is given. So A plus B plus 5 should be multiple of 9. So it can be 9, it can be 18. Can it be 27? Never. Because though you keep the highest value of A and B as 9, 9, 9 plus 9 will be 18, 18 plus 5 will be 23. So it will never be reach 27. So A plus B plus 5 can be either 9 or 18. If it is 9, then A plus B can be what? A plus B can be 4. If it is 18, then A plus B will be 13. How can you write A and B? It can be 4, 0 or 1, 3 or 3, 1 or 2, 2. The numbers can be 4, 0, 5, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 5, 2, 2, 5. So these are the 4 numbers which we can form. Here it can be 9 or 4, 4 or 9, 8 or 5, 5 or 8, 7 or 6, 6 or 7. The numbers will be 9, 4, 5, 4, 9, 5, 8, 5, 5, 5, 8, 5, 675. Below this, you cannot form any numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 numbers. How many total numbers are there? 6 plus 4, 10. So the answer to this question are 10. So the total numbers are 10 here. In this question, it is given A is given as this. The value of this one we have to find. So what is, let us say A is given as under root 2025 square minus, cube minus 2023 cube, right? Now I can write 2025 as 2024 plus 1 and 2023 as 2024 minus 1. Now let me square both the sides. A square will be equal to what? 2025 cube minus 2023 cube. Let us say 2025 is x. So this will be x plus 1. This will be x minus 1. So I can write a square as x plus 1 whole cube minus x minus 1 whole cube. This is a square. This will give me what? This will give me x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1. This is what? This is nothing but 6x square plus 2 is equal to a square. So from here I can write a square minus 2 is equal to 6x square, or x square is equal to a square minus 2 divided by 6, or I want the square root of a square minus 2 divided by 6. If I take square root, it will be x is equal to square root of a square minus 2 divided by 6. And what is x? X I have assumed as 2024. So answer to this question will be 2024. So in this question it is asked, in a math Olympiad examination, 12% of the students who appeared for class did not solve any problem. 32% solved with some mistakes. The remaining 14 students solved the paper fully and correctly. The number of students in the class is what? Now 12%, 32%. How many are remaining? Remaining are 100% minus 12% minus 32%. This is what? This is 100% minus 44%. This is nothing but what? This is nothing but 56%. And these remaining students are equal to what? They are equal to 40. So 56% students are equal to 14. So total 100% student will be equal to what? They will be equal to 25. Why? 14 into 4 is 56. 25 into 4 will be 100%. You can just use the unitary method to solve this. So total number of students in the class are 25. Hence 25 is the correct answer. In this question we are asked, when a is equal to 2025, the numerical value of given expression. So it is given mod of 2a cube minus 3a square. Let us write down mod of 2a cube minus 3a square minus 2a plus 1 minus 2a cube minus 3a square minus 3a minus 2025. So can I write 2025 as a? So I can write this as minus a, right? This is what? This is 2a cube minus 3a square minus 2a plus 1 minus, I can write this as what? 2a cube minus 3a square, and this is minus 4a. I can write this as minus 2a minus 2a, right? Let us say this value 2a cube minus 3a square minus 2a is t. So t plus 1 minus t minus 2a, or t plus 1 minus t plus or t minus 4050. Why? Because a is 2025, right? Now look at this t. T is what? It is 2a cube minus 3a square minus 2a. If you take a common, you will get 2a square minus 3a minus 2. Or this is nothing but what? You can write this as 2a square minus 2a, minus 4a plus a minus 2, or a into 2a, this is will be a minus 2 plus 1 into a minus 2, right? This is a into a minus 2 into 2a plus 1, right? What is a? A is nothing but 2025. So 2025 into 2023 into 2025 into 2 4050 into 4051, right? Now I can say this value is obviously greater than 4050, correct? So this term is anyway positive, so I can take this term as it is outside, and anyway this is positive, so this is t plus 1 minus, this is as it is, t minus 4050. So this is what? This is nothing but t will get cancelled. This is 1 plus 4050, or the answer is 4051. So answer to this question is 4051. In this question it is given the circular hoop and the rectangular frame are standing on the level ground as shown. The diagonal AB is extended to meet the circular hoop at the highest point C. If AB is equal to 18 and BC is equal to 32, the radius of hoop is what? How can you solve it? Let us say this AB is given as 18, BC is given as 32, correct? Let us say this is AD. Okay, so this is a secant, this is a tangent. So according to tangent secant theorem, what we can write? We can write AD square is equal to AB into AC. What is AB? AB is 18. What is AC? AC is nothing but 50. This is 900 AD square. So if AD square is 900, AD will be what? AD will be 30. Now this C is the highest point. Highest point means diametrically opposite point of D. So if you join this CD, it will be a diameter. Okay, but let me join it properly. This CD will be a diameter. So if it is a diameter, this will be 90 degree. This is 30. This AC is what? AC is 50. So 50, 30, CD will be what? CD will be 40 by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagorean triplet 3, 4, 5. So diameter is 40. If diameter is 40, the radius of the hoop will be what? Half of diameter, which is 20. So answer to this question is 20 centimeter. This is how you can solve the question. So in this question we are asked, n is a natural number, the number of n for which the given expression is also a natural number. So how to solve these types of question? It is given that 16 into n square minus n minus 1 square divided by 2n minus 1. So in this type of question, our motive should be to write the numerator in terms of the denominator. How can you do that? So basically look at this term. It is n square minus n minus 1. Can I write this term in form of a complete square? Yes, I can. How can I write? N square minus n minus 1 by 4, sorry, here plus 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 1 by 4. Now what is this? This is nothing but n minus 1 by 2 whole square, and this is minus 5 by 4. Now what is n minus 1 by 2 whole square? It is 2n minus 1 whole square divided by 4, and this is minus 5 by 4. And this is what? This is 2n minus 1 square minus 5 divided by 4. So we have written the numerator in some form of the denominator. Here 2n minus 1 is there, here also 2n minus 1 is there. So I can write this thing as 16 into 2n minus 1 square minus 5 divided by 4 whole square divided by 2n minus 1. Now from here what I can do? This 4 square is in the denominator. 4 square is 16. So 16 will get cancelled. And in the numerator I will have 2n minus 1 whole square minus 5 whole square divided by 2n minus 1. Now from here I will just expand it. Let us say this is a, this is b. So this is a minus b whole square. So this will be 2n minus 1 raised to 4 minus 10 into 2n minus 1 whole square plus 25 divided by what? Divided by 2n minus 1. From here what do we get? We get 2n minus 1 cube. We are splitting the denominator. Minus 10 into 2n minus 1 plus 25 divided by 2n minus 1. Now this is a natural number, this is a natural number. So to make this whole expression, let us say E, a natural number, this term should also be a natural number. And how this will be a natural number? It will be a natural number only when this denominator is a factor of 25. As 2n minus 1 is, as n is the natural number, the minimum value of this can be 2 into 1 minus 1, which is 1. So this will always be greater than equal to 1. And what are the factors that are greater than equal to 1 for 25? They are 1, 5 and 25. So if I say 2n minus 1 is equal to 1, this gives me n is equal to 1. If I say 2n minus 1 is 5, this gives me n is equal to 3. And if I say 2n minus 1 is 25, this gives me n is equal to 13. So 1, 3, 13, these are the values of n. If you try to put these values in this expression, it will for sure give you a natural number. So how many values of n are there? There are in total 3 values of n. So the total number of values of n is 3, for which the given expression is also a natural number. So this is how you can solve these types of question, by writing the numerator in terms of the denominator. In this question we are asked the number of solution x comma y of the simultaneous equation. We have given the two equations and we need to find the number of solutions. How can we do that? We have given log 4x minus log 2y is equal to 0. From here I can write log 4x is equal to what? Log 2y, right? From here what I can do? I can write this 4 as 2 square. This is 2 square x equal to log 2y. Whenever the base has some power, it will come outside and will become 1 upon the power. So this will become 1 upon 2 log 2x is equal to log 2y, which I can write as log 2x is equal to 2 log 2y or log 2x is equal to, this will become y square. So y square to the base 2. Now base of the both the logs is same. The argument must also be same. So from here I can write x is equal to what? Y square. Now I got x is equal to y square. What I also have? I have x square is equal to 8 plus 2y square. Now I know x is equal to y square. So instead of y square, I will put it as x. So this is nothing but x square equal to 8 plus 2x. From here what I can say? X square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. If you factorize this will be x minus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 4, or x is equal to minus 2, right? So from here I got x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 2. But the thing is that this x is there inside the log, and the value inside the log can never be less than 0. It is always greater than 0. So this is not possible. So from here I get x is equal to 4. I also know that x is equal to y square. So I can say y square is equal to 4 or y is equal to plus or minus 2. But y cannot be minus 2. Why? Because y is there inside the log. So y cannot be minus 2. The only value of y possible is y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2 is the only solution for the given equation. And we had to find the number of solutions. How many number of solutions are there? The number of solution x comma y, only one pair is there, which is 4 comma 2. So answer to this question is 1. So in this question we are asked, in the adjoining figure PA and PB are tangents, AR is parallel to PB. We have given PQ equal to 6, QR equal to 18. We have to find length of SP. Let us first draw the diagram and after that we will find the particular length. So this is the diagram. It is given that PQ is 6. So this one is what? This one is 6. And QR is 18. So this is what? This is 18. And we have to find the length of SB. How can we do that? Let us go forward and see. Now, if you see here, PQR is a secant from P and PA is a tangent from P. So whenever a secant and tangent are drawn from the same point, you can use the tangent secant theorem. What does it say? It says PA square equal to PQ into PR. What is PQ? It is 6. PR is this complete one, which is 24. This is 144. So if PA square is 144, this length is what? This length is 12. Also, PA and PB are the tangents from the same point. So length of these two tangents will also be same. So this is also essentially 12 only. Now, what to do further? Till now, we have used some properties of circle. Let us see one more property of circle. Let us say if this angle is theta. If this angle is theta, this PAQ is theta, then you can see this is a chord, right? This is a chord. This is a tangent. So this is an angle between chord and tangent. So by the alternate segment theorem, what happens? This angle will be equal to the angle subtended by chord at the circumference of circle. So QRA will also become theta. Now if QRA is theta, what we can conclude? We can conclude that BP and AR are given parallel. So BPR and PRA are alternate angles. So this angle will also be what? This angle will also be theta, right? Now look at the triangles PQS and the triangles RQA. If you see, the angle QPS, which is this angle, is equal to angle QRA. Both are what? Both are theta. Also, PQS is equal to this angle PQS is equal to angle RQA. Why? They are opposite angles. Right? These two are what? These two are opposite angles. So by the angle test of similarity, I can say triangle PQS is similar to triangle RQA. So I can write the ratio PQ upon QR is equal to QS upon QA is equal to PS upon RA. Now what is PQ by QR? PQ is 6, QR is 18. So 6 by 18 is equal to what? It is equal to QS by QA is equal to PS by RA. Right? Now this is 1 by 3, 6 by 18 is nothing but 1 by 3. So from here, if I say QS is X, QA will be what? QA will be 3X. Right? So let us say this QS, this one X, then this will be what? This will be 3X. Now after this, what can we do? If you see carefully, in two triangles, which triangles? P, R and A. What is there? One angle is theta and one angle is this one, alpha, this small angle. Also in this triangle PAQ, this angle is alpha and this angle is theta. So by the angle property, we can prove that they are similar. So let us first write down the triangles. First triangle is PAQ and other triangle is what? It is PRA. So in this triangle, what is there? That angle PAQ is equal to angle PRA. Both are what? Both are theta. And angle APQ is equal to angle RPA. Why? Both of them are alpha. Angle RPA is equal to angle APQ. So by the angle test of similarity, I can say triangle PAQ is similar to triangle PRA. From here, what I can do? I can write PA upon PR is equal to AQ upon RA is equal to what? Is equal to PQ upon PA. Right? From here, what I can write? PA upon PR is what? PA is 12, PR is 24 is equal to AQ upon RA. Correct? This is nothing but what? 12 by 24 is 1 by 2. AQ was 3x. This is RA. From here, RA becomes what? RA becomes 6x. So we got AR or RA as 6x. So we can say this is what? This is nothing but 6. Now, do we have any other relation in RA? Yes, we have other relation in RA. That 1 by 3 equal to PS upon RA. And what is RA? RA is nothing but 6x. So from here you get PS is equal to what? PS is equal to you get 2x. So this is what? This is 2x. Right? Now what can you do? You need to still find SB. Where how to proceed to SB. If you see from this point S, what is happening? This SB is a tangent and this SQA is a secant. So again you can use tangent secant theorem. What is it? SB square equal to SQ into SA. What is SQ? It is X. What is SA? X plus 3x. So 4x. This is what? 4x square. From here, SB becomes 2x. So SB is also what? SB is also 2x. Now 2x plus 2x is 12, right? PS plus SB is PB, which is 12. So I can say 12 equal to 4x or x equal to 3. What do I need to find? I need to find SB. So SB is nothing but 2x. If x is 3, 2x will be 6. So answer to this question will be 6. This is how you can solve the question by using the similarity of triangles. So in this question we are asked, a large watermelon weighs 20 kg with 98% of its weight being water. It is left outside in the sunshine for some time. Some water evaporated and the water content in the watermelon is now 95%. The reduced weight in kg is what? So we have a watermelon. Okay. So let us say watermelon consists of some water and some pulp. Or pulp is what? The content without the water. Now the weight of watermelon initially was 20 kg and 98% of this what? Initially water. So 98% of 20 kg is 19.6 kg. So the remaining 0.4 kg will be what? Remaining 0.4 kg will be the pulp. Now after evaporation, what happened? After evaporation, what happened? Some water got reduced. Let us say now the water content is x kg. But the pulp will not get evaporated, it will be same. So this is 0.4 kg, right? But this x kg is now 95% of the watermelon's weight. What is the watermelon's weight? It is x plus 0.4 kg. After evaporation, total weight is x plus 0.4. Now it is 95% of this one. So this is 95%. Correct? If this is 95%, remaining will be what? Remaining will be 5%. Now, if this is 5%, x plus 0.4 is what? It is 100% of weight, right? This is 100% of weight. If 5% is 0.4 kg, what is 100%? 100% will be nothing but 20 into 0.4, which is 8 kg. The total weight now is what? The total weight is now 8 kg. Right? So the total weight is 8 kg and this will be what? 95% of this, which is 7.6 kg. What we need to find? How much weight is reduced? Initially it was 20 kg, now it became 8 kg. How much weight is reduced? It is reduced 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. So answer to this question will be 12. This is how you can solve this question. So in this question we are asked, in a geometric progression, the fourth term exceeds the third term by 24 and the sum of the second and the third term is 6. Then the sum of the second, third and the fourth term is what? So there are, let us say, 3 terms. A2 is the second term, A3 is the third term and A4 is the fourth term of geometric progression. It is given that A4 is equal to A3 plus 24 and A3 plus A2 is 6. So A2 will be 6 minus A3. So I can write the 3 terms as 6 minus A3, A3 and A3 plus 24. Correct? Now what I can do? I can say that if these 3 are in the geometric progression, then the square of middle term A3 square will be equal to product of these 2 terms. So 6 minus A3 into A3 plus 24. This will be what? This will be A3 square is equal to 6A3 plus 144 minus 24A3 minus a3 square, or 2a3 square is equal to 6a3 minus 24a3. This will be 144 minus 18a3, or I can say a3 square is equal to 72 minus 9a3. From here what can I say? I can say a3 square plus 9a3 minus 72 is equal to what? Is equal to 0. I need to find sum of second, third and the fourth term. So sum of second, third and the fourth term will be what? Sum of these three. From here this will get cancelled and this will give you a3 plus 30. Right? Now from here what I can write? I can say a3 is equal to minus 9 plus minus b square, which is 81 minus 4ac. So 288 divided by 2. So this is minus 9 plus minus, this will be 9, 369 divided by 2 will be a3. Right? If you solve this and put this into a3 plus 30, you will get two answers. What are those two answers? Those two answers are, the sum will be either 35.1 or 15.9. So you will get these two answers. So the answer to these questions will be what? Either 35.1 or 15.9. So these are the answer to this question.
Top JEE ranks aren't built overnight, they're built early. With Kaku's JEE Foundation batch, students from classes 8 to 10 can strengthen their maths, physics and chemistry fundamentals through live classes taught by IITian faculty. Get access to 5,000 plus practice questions and regular bi-weekly tests to stay ahead. Give yourself the right head start. Join Kaku today. The link is in the description.